Hey, do you want to learn how to link or connect Metal TV to Roblox account? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. It's going to be a step-by-step guide. So first, you need to open up Metal TV desktop app. In order to do this, you need to open up a new browser. And then on it, on the top, you need to search for metal.tv. So just type in it in the URL. And then it's going to open up this web page. On it, you can press on this download Metal. And it's going to download a .exe file to your computer. Once you've done that, you need to install it, and then it's going to open up like this. Register and log in. Once that is done, on the bottom left corner, you'll find this cog icon. Click on that. Then you're going to find here, scroll down under user settings, you'll see connected accounts. You need to press on this, and towards the right hand side, you'll find add an account over here. You can add Riot account and a lot more. So just press on this first one, that is Roblox. Press here, and it's going to open up this web browser right here. You need to make sure that you're logged in on Roblox as well on your browser. And then it's going to show this, you're logged in as this. So you can change account or you can continue. So I'm just going to press on this continue button. Need to scroll down all the way and you'll find continue here. Then just need to wait for that countdown, confirm and give access. Great. Now let's go back to Metal TV right here. And there you go. Roblox is now connected. And that's it. Let's close it down. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind if you want to capture Roblox gameplay, you do need to install the Roblox Player app on your desktop. If you just play Roblox on browser, it's not going to detect it. So you need to go over here on roblox.com/download. And then inside it, you'll find this option to download the Windows app. You need to press here and then install it. And that is it. Once you've done that, you need to open it up. And of course, log into your account. And this is the Roblox player. Now, if you play a game here, you can now clip Roblox, like you can see on the top right here. Now clipping Roblox. You can press on F8 to clip 30 seconds, Alt and F7 for long recording. And yeah, if you click on this, you can see all this right here. Microphone source, audio source, etc. Record with Metal on or off from here. And yeah, that's it. That's how to link or connect Metal TV to Roblox account. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Metal TV or Roblox related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.